Hello and welcome. You are now looking at a standard internet marketing sales letter, which is being displayed before you in what is probably a PowerPoint or a Google Doc presentation. And what we're going to do in this course is we're going to take a standard presentation like this and we're going to turn it into an animated video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually go and get content for our sales letter. And if you have difficulty writing that content, we are going to find a sales letter that we have the private label rights to, and we're going to open up a document and we're going to copy that document into a Microsoft Word document. Now, the most important thing here is that we are doing this as an example. You want to make sure that you have the private label rights in order to use the copy in your sales letter. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this index document and we're going to copy it all into a Microsoft Word document. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy all of this writing all the way down to the end. We're going to copy it and paste it. And then we're going to go to Microsoft Word. Now, when we paste the document, we're not going to bother with the formatting. We're just going to put the text in there. So once you've completed this process, you should have a fair amount of sales copy that you can actually use for your animated video. Again, you can certainly write your own sales copy, but the easiest way, if you don't have a lot of time, you can go and pick up a private label rights sales letter that you have the rights to, copy all of the information into a Microsoft Word document and leave it in text form. And then we are going to go to the next step in the process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.